Hello everyone, it's a girl Willow, you don't know, and I'm back with another video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Be sure to tell your friends and loved ones about Willow's Creation YouTube channel. In this video, I'm showing you all how I made a gift box with Disposable Ritz Crackers box. So let's get right into this video. Remember, this is part 2 of the video. If you haven't seen part 1 as yet, please go ahead and watch it. The link is in the description box down below. Part 3 will be coming next. First, I finished glued the inside of the box, the part that was open to take out the Ritz. Then I measured, cut and glued a piece of wrapping paper onto the inside portion of the gift box. I just want to say thanks to all my loyal supporters and the faithful viewers as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that subscription button and that notification bell and become a part of Willow's Creation family. I'm going to sell a balloon and I will be having a free giveaway, so stay tuned. I'm going to give away this gift box for free. I will do an announcement when so help me reach that goal. All I did here was to cut the excess paper off and glue the side together onto the box. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell your friends and loved ones about Wallace Creation YouTube channel. The knob keep falling off. I got to use a stronger glue to hold it. After that, I cut a small piece of wrapping paper and glued it on top of the wallpaper so that the cut doesn't show. I was going to glue on pieces of the wallpaper onto the remaining sides of the box, but I changed my mind. If you are going to try this in the future, you can go ahead and add the paper onto the other 3 sides. The next thing I did was to measure, cut and glue the diamonds around the 4 corners of the box. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. The reason why I glued the diamonds at the edges is because I don't want the edges to look crappy. These pieces of diamond, I add them for a while now. I use them to demonstrate our project and pour them aside, so now I have use for them. I'm done with this portion. It's time to move on to the next. Next, I added the bow to the box. I didn't want to make a new bow, so I used the one I got on a gift about 2 years ago. Oh yeah, I saved it. I took care of my stuff. What if I did throw it away? I would have to make a new bow for this gift box. I wouldn't have it to put on this beautiful box. So I placed the bow on using tape. Then I add some glue onto the tape to hold it in place. I didn't want to use the glue alone because as you all know, the paper is delicate. If you all want to see me make a bow, comment down below and let me know. Remember to look out for part 3 of this video. Part 3 will be what I'm going to fill inside of the box. Here you go guys, this is the gift box I made using a Ritz Crackers box. You can try this using your own styles. This was the gift I got, a sewing machine. I'm multi-talented, right? Yeah, God made me just like this for a reason, so that I can help myself. I haven't done any major work with it as yet. I might do something soon though. So guys, after you have finished with your box, you can place your paper strips or whatever you use to protect or hide your gift inside the box. Then add the gifts and add more papers. This is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and to tell a friend and their family about Willa's Creation YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I shall see you in the next video. Peace.